What's up, everybody? It's Matt from Rainchild. I want to talk to y'all about these new sticks I'm using. Collision, based out of the UK. They are amazing, great company, cool people. I'm using the 5A Reach, gives you that little extra bit, a little extra length. I like to keep my toms spread out, my cymbals high. It gives me everything I need. They are super comfortable to play and ridiculously durable. I've used mine one pair for about 10 shows already and they're still strong, good to go. So check them out, give them a like, and here's a video of me playing with my band Rainchild.
Thank you.